got tons of goodies in PR. We're going to open them together. As always, let me know in the comments what you would like to win in future giveaways, because a lot of this stuff I end up putting into my gifting suite or donating. So let me know what you would like to win and what I should add to future giveaways. And if you're not already following, make sure you're following so you do not miss all of those giveaways. Okay, let's get into the amazing goodies that these brands sent over. Okay, so first up, we have a brand new launch from Ellis Brooklyn. I already peeked at this. They have 3 new body sprays and they are already available. So they're exclusively at Sephora. I love the ones they already have. So these are New Crush, Blood Orange, Clementine, Nectarine, Neroli Blossom. Pink is Love Palm, Pomegranate Juice, Strawberry, Pear Leaves, Pistachio, Almond Milk, Clove Bud. So those are the top notes, but obviously there are more notes. I'm just not gonna read them all. There's a ton. I'm going to open up the pistachio to smell. I am a big pistachio fan. I love a pistachio dessert or a pistachio coffee, like the pistachio iced coffee from Nespresso. I love. Okay. Smells good. Excited to try these as well. Let me know if you've tried their body mist or tried any of these items. Next, La Roche-Posay. So they have pimple patches. I love La Roche-Posay. Love their products. So good for yourself, good for kids, good for people with sensitive skin. Pimple patches. So it says shields, targets, absorbs. So you get this many. So this is a Global Action acne treatment. I have not tried this yet. I think this is a spot treatment. I do suffer from hormonal acne, especially in my chin area. So can't wait to try that out. Next, this is an Amazon nail brand, and you know I love my press-on nails. Okay, very pretty. Summer styles. You actually cure the press-ons with the light. This is Builder Gel and Top Set, brush-on nail glue. So I believe you glue them on and then you cure them with the light. I have to look into it though. Patented X-Coat process, and these are 2 summery shades. So we have a pink and a blue. I have tried these before and really did like them. So thank you for stocking me up. Next, CeraVe. Oh, wow. They sent over a shirt, an embroidered shirt. What does it say? Not viral, timeless. Yeah. Cute. Love an oversized tee. That is absolutely adorable. And then they sent over Find Your Perfect Match. They sent over 3 cleansers. So I already have tried all of these, I believe. And the SA cleanser is probably my favorite. I love them all, but if I had to choose one, it would be the SA cleanser. And I use this on my body and on my face, especially after I work out. This is amazing. This is amazing. And also these are like travel sizes. These are smaller, like the normal size are a bit bigger. So this is like the in-between, the really mini and the big. Amazing. This is definitely my favorite, but I also really like these. You cannot go wrong with CeraVe cleansers. If you're going to buy them though, hold out for Amazon Prime Day, which will be happening next month because they always go on sale. We have a few more packages. Stick with me, guys. Next, we have this jewelry brand. So this is called Atolia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but they reached out and offered to gift me some items. Their main claim is that these are fully waterproof. I will be testing that out, but they have amazing reviews. They also had so many nice pieces. It was hard to choose which ones. They come in these really cute little bags as well. Wow, I didn't realize I got so many things. With my order, I got a free mystery pair of earrings, and they also sent over these little stickers. How cute. So yeah, it's definitely like a water theme, like waterproof beach theme. So let me show you some of the things I got. I'm not gonna open them all, but it's like an ocean shell themed. They have so many nice pieces. Okay, now this is a necklace with these different colors. Lots of necklaces. I love layering necklaces. I actually picked out this one for my sister because she loves pearls, and I bought her earrings that look very similar to that. Oh, and this one I'm giving to my sister as well. It's not a surprise now, but here, Leah, this is for you as well. She's also a fish biologist, but loves anything to do with the ocean. So this is like a little orca necklace. They have really cute pieces that would make amazing gifts. Now this I customized. So this says Jessica. You could customize it with any name. So you could get like your pet's name, your kid's name, your partner's name. Here's another charm necklace. This one is beachy themed as well. Oh, this is my birthstone. So I was born in August, so peridot. These are all really gorgeous. And then we have this shell. So lots of like beachy themed items, but really something for everyone. Now let's see what our mystery pair of earrings are. So I forget how much you had to spend, but after a certain amount, you got a mystery pair of earrings. Okay, so they're these little basic, very cute, little tiny hoops. And the good thing about this is I feel like everyone could get use out of these. They're just very simple hoops. They're not too big. They're very light in the ears. Anyway, super excited to be wearing these. So you will definitely be seeing me rocking these in the future. Thank you so much to that brand and really all all the brands from today. Next, this is from one of my favorite perfume brands, and I think this is my current favorite fragrance. And I don't know if it's still on sale, but the travel size was on sale on Sephora. Seven Virtues is actually founded in Halifax. They have their flagship store in Halifax where you can go make your own scent. And it is female owned, founded, strawberry jam. This is one of my favorite scents of all time. This is like a strawberry and vanilla scent. So they sent me the full size and the travel size. I actually had already purchased the travel size myself. Okay, so they sent buttercream haze and strawberry jam. I think that was supposed to be strawberry jam, but I already have the travel size. From L'Oreal, Eye Bag Emergency. I always have eye bags, so that's always an emergency I am dealing with. Okay, this is cute. So this is like eye bags gone in 15 minutes. This is cute. So we have this little sand hourglass type thing, and this is supposed to erase your eye bags. So let me tell you, I have eye bags, so we will definitely put that to the test. And then we have a little mirror here. Thank you, L'Oreal. Very excited about your new launch. And one more quick, this is from Steve Madden. They let me pick out 2 styles. So this is one of them. Very nice of them. I have tried Steve Madden shoes before and really enjoyed them. These are going to be so cute for summer. Oh, absolutely love them. Okay, so that is the end of today's PR haul. Let me just put my new shoes on here. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to win in future giveaways. I'm gonna stomp the yard in my new shoes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!